taking a video? Sierra's drink
of the morning.
Guys, it is dumping on the ship right now. Look at this. It's crazy.
It is pouring. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can see it. Wow, it is pouring. You want to see something really cool?
There it is.
Oh look, there's a seagull. Hello, seagull.
Catalina in the rain. Woo-hoo.
It is pouring. Look at this. It is just
Then we're gonna go
and now
live
it's
in a
gonna
yellow
stop.
submarine for an hour.
And then it just stopped. All of a sudden, just stopped. It is so beautiful. Look at this. Got the crew. Got some awesome people hanging out. It's amazing.
Okay.